Spice up your coffee routine with this easy Coffeebar Chai recipe. Hey there, coffee lovers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something special brewing for you. We're going to show you how to make a delicious Coffeebar Chai right in the comfort of your own home. Get ready to indulge in the rich flavors of this traditional Indian spiced tea. Let's get started. Ingredients: 2 cups water, 2 cups milk, dairy or non-dairy, 4 black tea bags, or 2 tablespoons loose black tea, 4 whole cloves, 4 cardamom pods, crushed, 2 cinnamon sticks, 1-inch piece of fresh ginger, sliced, 4 tablespoons honey or sweetener of your choice. Optional: whipped cream and ground cinnamon for garnish. Instructions: in a medium-sized saucepan, add water, cloves, cardamom pods, cinnamon sticks, and ginger. Bring the mixture to a boil. Once the water comes to a boil, reduce the heat to low and let the spices simmer for about 5 minutes to infuse their flavors into the water. Add the black tea bags, or loose tea, to the saucepan and simmer for another 5 minutes. Stir in the milk and sweetener of your choice, honey, sugar, or other sweeteners, and bring the mixture to a simmer. Remove the saucepan from heat and strain the chai latte mixture to remove the tea leaves and spices. You can use a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth for this step. Pour the chai latte into mugs and serve hot. And there you have it, folks. A tantalizing Coffeebar Chai that will warm your soul and awaken your senses. We hope you enjoyed this recipe and can't wait to hear how yours turned out. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss a future coffee creation. Stay caffeinated, my friends, and we'll see you in the next video. Free ebook: Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee, the adult alcohol, worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.